Yo, what is up guys? Hope you guys are doing well. It's your boy Forrest, and if you've been paying attention to the markets, you've definitely seen the tear crypto has been on in the year 2020. Just at the beginning of the year, Bitcoin was trading around $9,000, and currently at the time of this recording, Bitcoin is trading at $21,000, passing its all-time high. It's not just Bitcoin, we've seen a crazy rise in prices for other coins as well, such as Etheruem, Ripple, Litecoin, and plenty of other cryptocurrencies. With more and more people learning about cryptocurrency every single day, a lot of people want to get involved with it, but because it is a new tradable asset to the general public, a lot of people don't know how to get started with it. And that is what we're going to be talking about in today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you the fastest, safest, and simplest way to get started with investing in cryptocurrency. To put this into reference, I've been investing in cryptocurrency ever since 2017, and for the past 3 years, I've been investing in it the same exact way, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. So I'm going to be going over what is crypto, the different types of coins you guys can buy, and how to go ahead and get started in investing in cryptocurrency. Also, if you guys are interested in investing in cryptocurrency, I'll leave a link to a website called Coinbase down below, and if you deposit $100 into your account, they'll give you $10 worth of Bitcoin free just for depositing your money, so basically making 10% back for doing nothing. Not too bad if you ask me. So what is cryptocurrency without making it super complicated? It's basically a form of digital currency. Now, your money is in a form of a token, which then can be used to make purchases, send your money, hold it for long term, whatever you want to do, you can do it because it's your own money. Basically a digital asset or virtual currency. One thing you must know is that cryptocurrency runs on blockchain technology. So blockchain is a system of recording information. Think of it as a really long receipt with all the transactions from every single cryptocurrency that people are sending, receiving, whatever it may be. It holds all the records. One fascinating thing about blockchain technology is that it makes it really difficult for people to come in and hack or cheat the system or whatever they might want to do with it. Also, nearly everything that has to do with cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning no single government, entity, or person owns anything. So basically, you are your own bank. The main coins that everyone knows or ends up buying in cryptocurrency are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These are, you can say, the OGs or the originals in the crypto space. They've been around for a really long time and everybody owns some of it. Out of those three, the main one, the powerhouse of all cryptocurrencies, is Bitcoin. Now, if you look at the chart of Bitcoin, it is super volatile. Back when Bitcoin was released, it was only a couple dollars. Then we saw it shoot up to $20,000, which was its all-time high. Then we had the huge correction. Now, at the time of this recording, Bitcoin just passed its new all-time high. So you can tell it is a crazy roller coaster. Actually, a really funny story. Back in 2010, a guy ended up paying 10,000 Bitcoins just for 2 boxes of pizza. Yes, 10,000 Bitcoins. If we value that today, that would be $190 million. So what determines the price of these coins in cryptocurrency? If we look at the stock market, the prices are based on, how the company is doing, the earnings, and plenty of other things. But with crypto, we don't have that. Well, you have it in a way. There's a team behind each coin and they have multiple projects they are running on. And sometimes here and there, they'll tweet what they're working on to keep people informed about the coin. Another thing is supply and demand. Usually every coin has a limited supply. So if we look at Bitcoin, for example, only 21 million Bitcoins can be mined, and currently there's 18.5 billion Bitcoins mined. So once we hit the cap of 21 million, no more Bitcoins can be mined, which in theory should raise the price up because that's basic supply and demand. If we have a lower supply of something and a higher demand, that should raise the price up. I personally own cryptocurrency in my portfolio, and although we don't know the long-term potential or even if there will be a use case for it ever, I have the opportunity now, so I want to make sure I am a part of it. If you think about it, the internet, Facebook, YouTube, no one would have thought that it would become as big as they are today. Because of that, I feel like crypto is in the early stages, and who knows how big it will become in the future. The goal for cryptocurrency is trying to make the economy decentralized, meaning no single powerhouse controls the money like the banks. It's fully digital, so you don't have to worry about holding cash, or I don't know who holds gold, but you don't have to worry about holding gold either. Everything is online and you can send money via your wallet address. So if you really don't like the banking system or want to be your own bank or want to avoid inflation and all that, then cryptocurrency might be for you. Now let's get into how you can buy and sell crypto. When I first got into crypto, there was only one real exchange where you can buy crypto, and that was Coinbase. Now over the years, in these past 3 years, years, many different exchanges have came in and where you can buy crypto from them as well. I personally use Coinbase to buy my crypto mainly because I've been using them for plenty of years and I've never had any problem with them whatsoever. And they also have their own app, so if you want, you can buy and sell straight from your phone. Since it is pretty much the #1 place to buy cryptocurrency, 99% of new investors usually end up using Coinbase mainly because of how simple and reliable they are. As I mentioned, I'll leave a link to Coinbase down in the description box below, where if you guys deposit $100, you guys will get $10 worth of Bitcoin free. Before you create your Coinbase account, it's going to ask you some personal questions. Now, don't worry, over 30 million people use Coinbase, and like I said, I've been using it for over 3 years and they've never had any hacks or any problems whatsoever. You'll just add your debit card or a bank account. They won't let you use credit card as of yet, so they'll just take the money out of your account and purchase the crypto that you want and deposit it into your Coinbase account. The thing I really like about Coinbase is how simple they make the interface. Any new person can come into it and easily know how to buy and sell just because of how simple they make it. They don't get technical with unnecessary things, so if you don't want a headache, use Coinbase. So let's get onto my computer and I'll show you guys how you guys can start investing in cryptocurrency using Coinbase. So I am on the main Coinbase website. As I said, if you guys would like, you can use the link down below. You guys will get $10 free of Bitcoin. And I think you guys are also getting free $5 just for signing up. So $15 for just creating an account, I would say that's a steal. So once you're in here, obviously, if you guys don't have an account, you're going to get started. You're going to plug in your information, first name, last name, email, all the good stuff. And I already have an account, so I can't go through this. But the next step, it'll ask you for, I think, your driver's license or some verification. All of it's legit. It's very quick as well. And once you have all that, you're gonna have your account. So I'm gonna sign into my account real quick. Alright, so I am on the Coinbase website right now. As you can see, this is my account. Once you create your account, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have your name, everything, and this is going to be the portfolio area where you can see how much money you have in your account. So if you want to buy, all you're going to have to do is go up here, click buy, and once you update your payment settings, you're going to have the pay with option. So I have my payment options. I have my debit card and my bank account saved. The key is to use your bank account, because if you use your debit card, they charge a higher fee. Now, I don't know why this is. The only thing is, if you use your bank account, you can't withdraw it out of Coinbase for a longer period of time. But if you choose to keep it on Coinbase for a long period of time, it doesn't really matter. So use your bank account because you'll save a lot more. I'll show you guys right now. So let's say I want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin. So this is currently my bank account. So if I do preview buy, the fee is $7.34. Now, if I change this to my debit card, the fee is going to be $19.18. So you can see it is a significant difference. So if you guys can choose your bank account, I would highly recommend that. You'll save a lot on fees. So let's say you bought it and you want to sell. You're just going to do the same thing. Come over here, you're going to hit sell. You're going to choose what type of coin you have, the amount, and you can either deposit it back into your bank account or you can deposit it into your cash reserves, meaning you'll have cash on the Coinbase app. So anytime you want to buy, you can use that cash reserve instead of using your funds from your bank account. So that's a quick overview on how you can buy and sell. I have $175 in here. I personally keep my funds on external wallet. I try not to keep my money on an exchange because it's out of our hands. So if anything were to happen, our money could be at loss. So I use an external wallet. You can scroll down here. You can, buy over here. Also, a really cool thing is Coinbase has a rewards program. So if you click earn rewards over here, you can watch all these videos. They have like a question at the end, but you guys will get money for watching it. So as you can see, for band protocol, you can earn $43 just by watching these videos. The maker $6. So that's also a great way you guys can earn extra crypto, as well as by doing these little learning seminars they have. So you learn what different coins are, what their meaning is, and what type of things they help with and the project behind it. As I said, if you guys do plan on using Coinbase, be sure to use my link. You guys can get $10 back in BTC if you deposit $100. They also have staking as well, but I'm not going to cover that in this video because that can get a little complicated. It's basically like a savings account. You collect interest every year. Prices over here, you can monitor the prices. As I said, Bitcoin is at the time of this recording to almost 22,000. So we passed its all-time high, which is absurd. The market is up a lot today. You can send and receive as well. As I mentioned, you have your own wallet address, so you can send money to a different wallet address, send it to yourself from another account. You would just copy this and paste this, or if you want to send this, you would copy someone else's or your other exchange account's address and paste that over here and hit send, and then it will go through. Also, I think Coinbase, they made it mandatory. They're gonna ask you to have a Google 2FA authenticator. What that means is that on your phone, Google, there's an app called Google 2FA, and the code changes every 60 seconds. So anytime you log in, you need to input that code, and it's always changing. It's just an added security so your funds are safe in one account. I highly recommend you guys turn that on as well. But essentially, this is Coinbase. So if you guys do want to purchase Coinbase, like I said, just buy and sell up here, buy, and you guys can just keep your money in your portfolio balance and watch it grow. As you can see, it changes real time. Anytime something changes, you can see the difference over here. You can check 1 hour, 24, 1 week. It's a very simple website, as you can see over here. It's nothing too crazy. It has all your funds in one big amount over here. So I'm just gonna do a quick example of how you guys can buy crypto. So once you're on this page, your home page, and your account's created, you're just gonna go up here, click buy. For this example, I'm gonna use my bank account. I'm just gonna do $5, just a quick example. You're gonna hit preview buy, and this will show you everything, the price you're getting it at, the purchase. It should also say how much, or up here show how much BTC you're getting, and it'll say your funds, your full amount will be instant. You're just gonna click buy now. As you can see, my portfolio balance is 175.24. The order is submitted, and it goes through pretty much right away. So I'm gonna back out. I'm gonna refresh the page, and the money should be in here. So as you can see, it's 179.82. So if I go to the 1 hour, we can see that it went from 175 to 179. So it's very simple to buy. They make it very simple. And if you want to sell, it's going to be the same thing. I would just sell that $5 amount, and it would go straight into my bank account or the cash reserve section. But that is the Coinbase side. Like I said, it's fairly simple. It's nothing crazy you guys can't understand. Just basically create an account and buy and sell. As I said, they make it very, very simple for new people to learn. Now, all this leads to the question, which types of coins should you invest in to have the most return? Luckily for you, I created a video on my top 5 cryptos to invest in the year 2021, and I'll leave a link to it down in the description box below. We have tons of analysts saying that Bitcoin can reach $100,000 or even $200,000, but no one really knows. So just make sure you do your research before you invest. It is really volatile, but you also have to remember that's where the most money can be made. So weigh out your options and only invest in what you can afford to lose. So I'm personally gonna hold my bag of crypto just in case anything crazy were to happen. But that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys were able to learn how to start investing in cryptocurrency, make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe if you guys haven't already. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in next week's video. Peace.